How to fix Instagram follow limits. So in this video I will show you step by step on how to fix why Instagram is limiting you from following some people. So after you open up your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see, here is it. Now tap on your profile. After you open up your profile, as you can see now if you want to just, let's say if you want to follow some people but Instagram is just limiting you, so let's go and just find someone that we want to follow. Now tap on the search bar. After you tap on this search, now tap on this search again at the top. So now go ahead and search some people. I'll just go ahead and search like Joseph. So tap on this account section. After you tap on this account section, now you can be able to see all the people with the same name that you want to follow. So the reason why Instagram is limiting you from following many people is because your account is new. If your account is new, you can't follow random people on Instagram at once. You must wait, like gradually you can be able to follow like 10 to 15 people a day. But if you just start following like 100 of people a day, Instagram will limit your account. So the reason why, that's main reason of Instagram limiting people account. And the next reason is, if you are following many people on Instagram, Instagram will think that your account is robot account, so they will limit account. And if you try to just post your Instagram account to just follow many people, they may ban your account. So all you have to do now, wait for like 24 hours or 2 days and start following people gradually, but don't follow many people at once. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.